heartfelt welcome to Vivoterra Kitchen, here and now. Today I show you how to prepare this delicious and healthy lentil dip. It is wonderful as a spread or dip. To do this, I first add 1 tablespoon coconut oil in a saucepan and steam 1 onion in it. Then I add 130 grams red lentils and deglaze everything with 250 milliliters of water. The lentils now must cook for about 10 minutes. Then I add the juice of half a lemon, the spices and 1 teaspoon tahini. I then puree the lentils till they become a creamy paste. Finally, I stir 50 grams of coconut yogurt into the lentil cream. And that's how quickly you can prepare a healthy and delicious dip. I garnish my lentil cream with some black sesame seeds and fresh parsley. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get new video updates. All the best, remain in peace, and until the next Here and Now.